Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super funny video. It's a video reveal and try on. Today we're gonna be trying the Irresistible Me Diamond. It's a beautiful flat iron and they have so many nice features, so I can't wait to share with you guys. And we're gonna be trying it on so you guys can see these beautiful results. Alright, so let's do this. Alright guys, so here is the box. That's how the flat iron come. The box is very nice and have a little magnet here. I always like to save my box so I can store my flat iron when I'm not using. This is a diamond from Irresistible Me Style and Professional Flat Iron, and the design, it's really nice. I like the swirl cable here that lets you maneuver your flat iron without stressing out. And also they have this cool little fingertip here where you can actually press and not gonna burn your hand. And the one thing that I like too is the plate doesn't stand all the way outside, so no way you're gonna burn your hand holding the flat iron. And the one thing also that I like is the button settings is inside. You have here the on and off button, and you have here the temperature high and low. And when we have a flat iron that actually have that settings outside, sometimes you can accidentally turn off your flat iron, and that sucks. So we're gonna put this baby to the test. And the one thing that's really nice about is the infrared technology that help you straighten your hair, but it does not strip your hair from your natural oils, which is good. That doesn't dry or break your hair. And also these tourmaline plates, it's made with crushed diamonds. If you see in person, you actually can see the little sparkle. I don't know if the camera can pick up. So but that's really nice. And this Irresistible Me is gonna have some Mother's Day sale going on. So if I was you guys, I wouldn't walk around forget one of these. They're probably gonna be in a great price. And also size wise, it's really nice. The design is sleek if you want to use for curl your hair. And looks, it's very easy since it's thin, it's not a bulky tool. So I'm gonna plug in so we can try this on. It's very light, very light. So let me plug in so we can try. I just have my hair dried. So here you have the little digital display. I'm gonna turn it on. So when you turn it on, automatically start heating up, and this one goes up to 450 Fahrenheit. So from 230 Celsius to 450 Fahrenheit. So here we are in I bet that we are in the setting 360, because that's the setting I'm gonna use for my hair. Let's take that side out of the way so we can do this side. And here you have 430 Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit to 360. Now we have a 360. So I don't, I don't need to put that high because my hair is fine. You guys can see that. So I'm just gonna take this hair out of the way. And I already have some heat protector on my hair from this heat protector from Drunk Elephant, which is really nice. I'm enjoying a lot. So now let's just get a little section in the back here. And we're gonna start it from there. Okay, it's going to go one.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna finish this side off camera so this video don't get so long, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went in and finished my other side with my Irresistible Me Diamond flat iron, and the result is very beautiful. You guys can see the hair straight, there is no frizz at all. Normally when I flat iron my hair, sometimes I get a lot of frizz in the top, but no frizz at all. It's really beautiful, the results. So I'm very happy with the results for this flat iron. And if I didn't mention, I'd like to mention again, these have diamond technology. These have a permanent plate with crushed diamonds in. Looking here to my naked eyes, I actually can see the little sparkles, but I don't know if the camera can pick up, which is really nice. And these also have out shut off button. If you go out and forget it on, after 30 minutes it actually shut it off, so you're not going to burn down your house, which is great news. So these also have an infrared technology and a cool tip here that you can hold it and not gonna burn your hand. And ceramic technology, heat up fast, max temperature go from 230 Celsius to 450 Fahrenheit. They have a tourmaline technology, that's tourmaline plates with crushed diamond in it. Silver nano material, eco-friendly, freeze-free, which is great. Nanotechnology, dynamic alignment, and intelligent heat spray. LED digital display here for you to display your temperature. So yeah, this is one of a kind flat iron, really nice, very small too, very easy for use if you wanna curl your head, so you can do it. Super nice, super compact, super light. So yeah, big thumbs up. I don't know if I'm gonna have any discount code for this. If I have, I'm gonna drop in description box, so you guys just remember to check the description box, because also in the description box is where it's gonna be the link for this flat iron if any of you guys are curious about, go and check. And Mother's Day is coming up, they're gonna have a huge sale, so time to check. Alright, so thank you for enjoying this review. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.